You look so pretty, yes you do.
Here we go. Ripping lips. Come on, you salmon.
Get up in here.
Come on, salmon. Yeah.
Look at him.
JoJo. Well, forgot the GoPro. We're doing Sweet Dreams, Salida, Colorado. See, the sun's coming through the tree a little bit right now.
Yeah. Well, not here.
Oh, so good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. We got less than 24 hours before Christmas music begins. I never push it. You gotta celebrate Thanksgiving and then Black Friday. Put up your tree, decorations, etc. Anyway, it's one of these kind of lazy mornings right here, huh, Beesky? We were gonna do the turkey trot 5K, but I'm gonna do it on the treadmill inside a warm home gym. Lift some weights before I head over to Thanksgiving meal with the whole fam jam and friends. But again, it's one of these type of mornings. We got a heated foot massager, devotions, the good old Bible. Read this thing, it'll change your life. We got my morning smoothie and coffee. And of course, Beesky. Hi, babe, you look so pretty. You look so pretty, yes you do. And so again, one of those mornings. Okay, excuse my theater room. This is my office setup during the remodel. Anyway, we got the projector out right now. We're gonna get a little workout in the books. We got some dumbbells, we got some adjustable weights. We got a treadmill over here. I'm gonna bust out, turn on the projector, watch some YouTube videos. This will be a big theater room, really nicely done. Eventually, sectional couch, some windows on the side of the projector. It's gonna look real nice. Anywho, in the meantime, you gotta work with what you got. We're gonna bust the treadmill out. I'm gonna get a 5K turkey trot after I lift weights, just because it's turkey day. Forgive my green wall. We're in a full remodel if I didn't mention that. This is my new kitchen cabinetry. We're gonna get to that in a little bit. Well, full transparency, I did not get my turkey trot in. Very disappointed. Realized that I'm running a little bit behind schedule. Didn't know folks were gonna show up as early as they did. Got my workout in, but not my treadmill turkey trot. I will get 3.11 miles in before bedtime tonight. If I have to take it at a 9-10 minute mile pace, I sure will if I'm really full, but I will get that in, I promise you. We'll film it. You will hold me accountable. Stinky says, what's up? 'Cause it's a Thanksgiving feast day. I'm gonna pile turkey in the belly. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.